Hi everyone, this is Lenny Bardon and my topic is preparing and display petite fours. First, what is petite fours? Petite fours literally translate to a small oven. The name is said to have originated from the practice of cooking small pastries like gagmay siya guys and one bite lang siya. So, sa ako ang gingan guys, kay one bite size siya sa kind of pastries and petite fours has a 5 typical characteristics. First, approximately 1 inch square and about 1.5 to 2 inches high. Second, consists of layers of cake, butter, cream, and frosting. Third, petite fours, however, can refer to any number of small confections or pastries. Fourth, petite fours can be eaten in 1 or 2 bites, and these fancy pastries are further divided into sec or glaze. The petite four sec and glaze can be sponge or cake based, biscuit or cookie based, meringue based, marzipan based, fresh fruit or chocolate based. So next, petite fours also have a 5 categories. First is petite fours sec. Second is petite fours glazes. Third is petite fours frais. Next is petite fours biggest, and lastly is petite fours prestige. So what is petite fours sec? So sec is meaning dry. Include a variety of small desserts such as special dainty cookies, baked meringues, macaroon, puff pastries. Only a small amount of ganache, buttercream, or jam is used to sandwich the pastries together or to decorate the tops, and they're often dipped in a chocolate. So, petite four sec kay kanang, so ang sec is dry daw siya guys, and then kanang gamay ra nga tong buttercream or kanang jam nga tong i-sandwich sa kanang nga petite fours, and pwede na to siya butang nga gana siya top, and pwede pud kayo na to siya i-dip sa chocolate. So next, what is petite fours glazes? Glaze meaning ice. Are iced or decorated in some way such as tiny cakes. It is covered with fondant or frosting, small eclairs, and tartlets. They can also be pastries filled with cream, chocolate, or jam and covered with glaze, or dipped with marzipan, fondant, chocolate, or some other form of glaze or icing. So next is petite fours frais. Are characterized by items that are served the day. They are made because their composition leads to deterioration of quality the longer they sit. So, petite fours frais, these groups includes cream-filled items such as eclairs, tartlets, fruit, ganache, and some petite fours digues. They are filled with fresh fruits or similar light textured cream. Frais includes spongy such as almond cakes, medallions, and financiers. So the fourth one is petite fours delicacy. Are made from fresh, dried, or candied fruits that are coated in cooked sugar, fondant, chocolate, or any combination of the three. Fruits commonly dipped in sugar include gooseberries, cherries, grapes, and candied fruits such as pineapple or mango. The fruit is simply dipped into a cooked sugar solution and then transferred to a silicone mat or lightly oiled granite. Any fruit dipped in sugar should be used in a timely fashion or should be stored with humectants or to avoid the softening of the sugar. Lastly, we have the petite fours prestige, are composed of more advanced preparations, mirror current trends in pastry. Petite fours prestige may be smaller versions of contemporary intriments or other desserts. Components used for petite fours prestige may include cake bases, such as biscuit or dacquoise, Creams such as cream masculine or crema. Egg foams like Italian meringue and fresh fruit. Additionally, many of the finishing techniques used for advanced cake production may be used for Petit Force prestige, such as glazing and chocolate spraying. Often, these small pastries will even include small decorative chocolate or sugar elements. Next one is the types or kinds of Petit Four bases. The base of Petit Four can either be marzipan or sponge. A Petit Four base must be strong enough to hold the Petit Fours. First, cake can be baked in swallow trays, then topped with soft topping, then cut to shape desired similar to sponge sheet.